Hey, what's up, Siacoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Siacoin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about a latest price prediction, a latest price update of Siacoin, guys. But before starting this video, I request all of you to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about Siacoin. The right now price of Siacoin in the market is about 0.019189 USD dollar. That is a right now price of Siacoin in the market, and the Siacoin chain is also going complicated, guys. One day price jump, second day price jump, again one day price jump, again price jump. So going complicated. You can see here, guys. Last 1 hour changes is negative, last 1 day change is positive, and last 1 week changes is also negative. Let me show you the price chart. You can see here, guys, absolutely. You can see when on 14th September, when I saw this chart, so I'm sure on 14th September that now it is a profit time. Now the price will continuously jump. But no, I'm wrong, guys. Not a quick jump occur in the Siacoin. You can see again the price jump. And after some passage of time, after 1 day falls, possibilities again the price will jump. So that is a roadmap of Siacoin. 1 day falls, second day jump. Anyways, guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about Siacoin? Also share on the comment box. And guys, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.